Welcome to Simple at Home Exercises presented by the Reston Teen Center. I'm Jerald and I will be your host today. Today, we will be doing a 20-minute circuit training workout. What is a circuit training workout? A circuit training workout is a form of body conditioning or resistance training using high-intensity aerobics. It targets strength building and muscular endurance. When one circuit is complete, you start from the beginning and complete another circuit, or as much as you can within the allotted 20 minutes. This training consists of high knees, squats, floor lunges, mountain climbers, and push-ups. Exercise 1, high knees. Always check your surroundings for safety first. Stand with both feet on the ground. Simulate a running in place motion. Lift knees as high as you can to your chest safely, and do this at a steady pace that is comfortable for you for 60 seconds. Squats. Always check your surroundings for safety first. Place your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider. Keep your arms in front of you to help with balance. Sit back and down like you're sitting into an imaginary chair. Lower down so your thighs are as parallel to the floor as possible, but no further than 90 degrees. Keep your body tight and push through your heels to bring yourself up to starting position. Repeat this exercise for 60 seconds. Forward lunges. Always check your surroundings for safety first. Stand tall with your feet hip distance apart. Take a large step forward and lower your body toward the floor. Both legs should be bent at a 90-degree angle at the bottom of the lunge. Push off your front leg to rise back up to starting position. Repeat other side, alternating each rep. Do this exercise for 60 seconds. Mountain climbers. Always check your surroundings for safety first. Start in plank position. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed. That's hands shoulder width apart, back flat, head aligned, and abs engaged. Pull left knee into chest as far as you comfortably can. Push left knee down back to original position. Repeat with right leg altering each rep. Keep going at a rapid yet comfortable pace, and do this for 60 seconds. Push-ups. Always make sure you check for your surroundings for safety. Now, this is one of the oldest workouts in the book. It's oldie but a goodie. Just make sure that you keep your body straight. Make sure your weight is evenly distributed and that you're going down at 90 degrees. Keep your elbow bent at 90 degrees. Also, make sure you keep breathing. Breathing is very important for strength exercises. Nice. You finished the first set. Now do as many sets as you can within the allotted 20 minutes. Go at your own pace safely and get a nice workout in. Stay home, be safe, be healthy. We'll get through this together.